What's up, JAWneS here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the queue is full problem or error in Fortnite Battle Royale. So basically, this problem is when you're searching for the game and it says queue is full and the message won't go and you won't be able to join a game. So today I'm going to bring you 2 or 3 easy solutions to fix that. They are pretty simple and just a bug in the game. The first solution, if you happen to have a queue is full error, is to basically go and try to find a friend where you have the join option available. It doesn't matter if your friend is in a game or he's in a party, or if you will be able to join him or not, because if he's already in a game, it doesn't matter. You have to try to join somebody, like where you have the join option, and once you join him, you gotta wait a bit for it to do the joining procedure and stuff. For example, right here, I got failed to join party. Now I'm gonna just press cancel for this and I'm gonna try to search again. So this is the first method, and as you can see, I am able to get inside the game. Now you see the queue is full here message, but as you can see, it's showed the number of players and I'm getting into a game, and this happened to me for like 10 minutes straight, and when I joined someone it worked. Now the other solution is pretty simple. You can go to settings and change the server where you're playing on. Just choose a random server just for one game and then switch back to your original server for the next game. And closing the application and installing might also be a fix. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.